my name is Luca, and this is a 9-part video series about how I set up my aid bags for 3 different scenarios: as a combat medic, a civilian for my everyday life, or a would-be prepper. I promise it's gonna be better than the new Star Wars trilogy. But first, let's start with my civilian everyday carry. What I carry on myself when I'm going out on a date? Well, I like to use protection, so I carry a pistol mag, my trusty knife, and a tourniquet. This is pretty much what I need for a normal urban setting that I don't expect a lot of difficulties. But if you think you need more, let me introduce you to the operator fanny pack. Besides holding in my virginity, inside I have all the medical trauma essentials that I need. A chest seal with an NCD attached to it, emergency bandage or 𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Bundeswehr, a nasal pharyngeal airway with lube, you always need some lube, and a combat gauze. This is a setup for things might get fishy, but you don't know. You can store this in the fanny pack, you could put it in your backpack or in your ankle bracelet. Me personally, I don't like ankle bracelets because they attract too much unwanted attention and they're a bit clunky. If for some reason you're not allowed to carry weapons, carry at least a tourniquet. This is the most important medical asset. When we're talking about personal EDC, we're thinking light and minimal. I'm trying to prepare for my major trauma events and to be protected. But always know that the most important thing is a tourniquet. Okay guys, this sums up my personal EDC that I carry around. For the next video, we're gonna jump down to the car and we're gonna show you my vehicle EDC. Stay tuned.